come into the shuffle. Now the first curl-in is when I bring my partner in towards me and I move her around, or a merry-go-round as we call it. So I'm moving her around and opening her up again and bringing her in. So remember, whenever you're leading, bring her towards your right. So here I'm bringing her towards my right and I'm curling in, moving her back, opening her up again, back into the shuffle. Now the second option which you can do is, I move in and I curl in and bring her around. So here you have to be careful. I'm moving towards my left, walking towards her and bring her around. So the lady has to stay there, keep the lady there itself, and you walking towards the lady and move her around. Move her around, open up and bring her to the shuffle and then back again to the basic step. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, again to the shuffle. Again, bring your partner in,